Isn't my daughter is adorable? I saw she is playing with her dollhouse.
Yeah, I love how she is doing. But I'll give some flavor for her.
So, what is it?
I guess Cleery will train to become a mage.
Oh, that was a great idea. Cleery!
Oh, what is this?
Your dad said he can train you to become a mage.
I'm too young to protect you. I don't know how to fight against bad guys.
Don't worry, you will be brave enough. So, we start your train.
Hello, jump right up. Come here to play whack-a-mole.
We have a wire to train my daughter. My daughter name is Cleery. She will train to become a mage.
Oh, you want to train her? That's interesting. Anyways, have fun.
Okay, let's start with the basics. Okay, that will be your hammer. This is your primary weapon. Now today's train. Use a hammer to whack a mole.
But I don't know how to use this. Why are you holding it?
Because you're using your hammer for the first time. Look, a mole! Go catch it!
There is a mode. There's this modes are too fast. I can't walk it. Maybe it was a hard game?
It's not hard, Cleery. Just keep trying.
I will.
Good job, Cleery. Keep going.
Well done, Cleery. You played good.
Yes, I was a good actor and I got used to wield my hammer. But this tractor takes quick weaver fakes to whereas there's this bonus. And I take my time to know where is the mode.
That's great. But how about you do some magic spells?
What will magic do?
You can perform spells. It's like magic in the air.
Oh, I want to try it.
She's right. Anyways, I'm going to get some spells for so you can learn.
Okay, Cleery. Just focus.
Nothing happened.
Don't worry, Cleery. You can do it.
I did. I learned to use something magic.
Good work. Now, since we can cast ice spells, so you can too.
Huh? I was a part of your family with your ice spells.
Yes, you're a part of my family. Now, focus on your ice spells.
I understand. I promise. Wow, it worked.
I told you, your element is ice.
Thanks. I'm giving her all the new spells. One day, when I grow up, I can protect you and your life.
Exactly.
I guess this will come for the day. If you're watching me, I'm going to make a statue for you. I hope you can train every day.
Cleery, thanks for training every day.
Thanks. I tried my best to focus on my skills. And I gonna end the better now.
I like it. Your training is perfect. Now it's time to take a break. What will it be?
I'm for the tea day.
Oh, I love tea parties.
Me too. But now I'm going to make some tea for you too. Huh?
What's that noise?
Maybe they attacked my house. Cleery, stay here.
We're going to check who did this.
Well. Closures, dear Dow. You know, this planet is very peaceful. And so easy to conquer. And what about you too? Do you want to beat me with my great army?
What do you think you're doing? You can't attack this village because people have lived here.
And who are you?
The name's String Balso, and I came here to attack your hometown. Yes, I know your hometown is very popular, but who cares? We're going to invade you instead. So are you ready to be defeated and invade your hometown? Or you shall show me to conquer our greatest galaxies in the infinite Imperium.
We can't be defeated. We're protecting this village.
Cleery, you had to escape.
It's too dangerous to stay at home. You have to pack your stuff before you go.
Okay!
Good. Now hurry.
There's no time to lose.
Agreed. Our home's to protect. Show yourself.
Any last words, you two?
No. Leave here now. You're trying to attack my village? If you don't, we'll strike you back.
Never. I'm stronger than you and your wife. Now, die!
What are you taking off?
Space!
Yes, space. Brilliant. We're trapped here forever.
I skated. I was straight around for my family. And I lost my home place. I was loading for now. Oh, there's a case here? I guess I did this.
Who are you?
My name is Sharon. I'm from Mageian. Anyways, can you babysit me? I was so lonely.
Okay, I'll take care for you.
King wins.
What's wrong, Cleery?
Yesterday, during your time, you think I was a monster.
Yes, I knew you were a monster during your time. Even my warriors know you are. But I think you're really not a monster anymore. You are come from space as a space creature, and you want to babysit me. I adopted you after you meeting me for first time.
Thanks. But anyways, any talks how you going to help me?
I will train you to master your skills. My warriors is waiting here, so follow me.
Okay. Oh, did I daydream? Wait, it's my mirrors where I'm doing in my past days. I guess I'd be fine after I was separated from my family.